Hi there, thanks for joining. Lookalikes is a great way to target similar people and get better conversions. Now you can create and manage your lookalikes without leaving RevealBot. The RevealBot has a few outstanding features that Facebook doesn't have. For example, creation of lookalikes in bulk using multiple sources and locations, the extension of audience size up to 20%, and most excitingly, leveraging ad set-based conversion lookalikes to continuously generate lookalikes from high-performing ad sets. Let's check it out. You'll find lookalikes in the Assets section. Let's go to Assets, find lookalikes. And if you already have some lookalike audiences created in Facebook Audience Manager, they will show up here. Clicking on any item in the list allows you to edit the name, or you can select the audience from the list and delete it. Please note that deleting lookalikes in RevealBot will also remove them from Facebook Manager. Let's build a new lookalike audience in a few easy steps. To create a new lookalike audience, you need to click Create Lookalikes button, and first of all, we'll need to select the ad account. I'm going to go with RevealBot. The next step would be selecting the source. There are two options when it comes to source: existing sources and ABC lookalikes. For existing sources, you'll find your custom audiences and page fans, so you can select any of them. The second option is ABC lookalikes, which is ad set-based conversion lookalikes. For ABC lookalikes, you need to select any relevant, well-performing ad set to find people that will more likely interact with your business. Just click on source and you will find the whole list of your campaigns. I'm going to filter through active and find my awareness campaign. Once you open your campaign, you will see the list of ad sets inside this campaign, and then you can pick this ad set to be used as a source for your lookalike audience. ABC lookalikes are dynamically updated once you get new conversions. Let's move on to audience locations. Make sure that you select a location that contains at least 100 people so that Facebook could create a lookalike audience based on this selection. I'm going to click Add Location and type in the name of the country. Let it be United States. Let's move on to the audience size. Here you can choose between similarity and reach. Using a broader audience increases the reach but decreases the similarity. You can create up to 6 lookalikes, choosing the percentage of their similarity to the selected source audience. Audience size ranges from 1% to 20% of the combined population of your selected locations. A 1% lookalike consists of the people who are most similar to your lookalike audience. Increasing the percentage will create a bigger, broader audience. I'm going to stick with 3% for now. And finally, an audience name. Here you can select ready-to-use macros to pick up the location, source, time range, and start-end ranges of the audience. I'm happy with the selection, so I can just click Create button, and it will take up to 24 hours for my lookalike to be created by Facebook, as it takes time for Facebook to find people that are similar to my source audience. Please note that adding another source using the existing sources option right here, or adding another location using the location setting, for example, let's go for Spain. So adding these additional options allows you to create several separate lookalikes for each source audience. The number of lookalikes you'll get as a result depends on the number of sources, location groups, and the number of lookalikes you have selected under audience size. You can track the estimate of items to be created in the top right corner of the page throughout the process. Now we can click Create, and our audience will be created after some time. Looking at the list, I can see the estimated size of the audience when it was created, and also see the name, which contains some parameters of the audience, like the audience size and the locations. There is also an option to filter through the lookalikes based on the ad account they belong to. Just go to the top of the page and select the ad account that you want to see the lookalikes for. When lookalike audiences are created in RevealBot, they are automatically integrated into Facebook Ads Manager. So if you remove them in RevealBot, they are removed from Facebook too. It may take Facebook 6 to 24 hours for your lookalike audience to be created. Going forward, your audience will refresh every 3 to 7 days. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.